Today, we are introducing the Personal Transport 5, an MPU-5 accessory used to wirelessly connect all of the devices on the soldier and to interconnect teams around the globe. The PT-5 contains a Qualcomm 5G modem enabling dismounted teams to more easily connect to the global cloud relay network. It also provides a Wi-Fi access point to connect your devices. Let's dive in and talk about our latest accessory, the PT-5. At Persistent Systems, we believe that you should be able to communicate by any means possible. Many of you already use the MPU-5 to track and talk to your team, drive robots, fly drones, and move data from sensors and cameras across the Wave Relay MANET. As you take Wave Relay to the edge of the battlefield, you need to stay connected with your local team. But you also want to maintain connectivity to the larger global network. You may want to share your position with an operations center, talk to a team in another operational area, send local sensor data to the enterprise, or stream a live video to your end-user device before a drone arrives on station. Normally, when we think about connecting a transport to your Wave Relay network, we are talking about Starlink or a large SATCOM terminal. These terminals are either at fixed locations or integrated into large vehicles. Today, we are talking about integrating IP transport into a form factor small enough to screw onto the side of your MPU-5. We think of it as a personal transport for the warfighter. The personal transport for the MPU-5, or PT-5, is both a 5G cellular modem and a Wi-Fi access point. Let's start by connecting the PT-5 to your MPU-5, providing cellular transport for access to cloud relay. You can use the PT-5 wherever your mission takes you, connecting you to any host nation's cellular network without the need for bulky routers or commercial hotspots. The PT-5 supports physical SIMs, allowing you to connect to AT&T 5G, 4G or LTE, FirstNet, and even roam on host nations' cellular networks around the world. You can even introduce transport diversity by leveraging multiple cellular networks in the same MANET, creating an automated pace solution for your users at the edge. When I was in the Army, we used to say, 2 is 1, 1 is none, meaning just having one option is not a good plan. Now that you've created carrier diversity across multiple cellular networks, imagine if vehicles show up in your formation that have Chimera or Starlink terminals connected to MPU-5s in your network. Cloud Relay ensures that those transports are also available to you, routing your audio, video, and data over the best available path, ensuring it reaches its final destination. This is a true automated pace solution all the way to the edge. But you might be asking, doesn't connecting cellular networks create a security risk for the MANET? We've implemented NIAP-approved dual-layer security across the network, all the way back to your tunnel termination point. This allows you to traverse host nation cellular networks knowing that your data is secure. Another amazing feature of the PT-5 is the integrated Wi-Fi access point that allows end users to connect Wi-Fi-enabled devices to the MPU-5 without physical cabling. The PT-5 operates in 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands, leveraging DHCP to connect more than 10 devices simultaneously over a 200 megabits per second Wi-Fi connection. WPA3 encryption is utilized to ensure that the Wi-Fi data between your devices and your MPU-5 is secure. Let's dive in and configure the PT-5. The PT-5 connects to the MPU-5 like our other accessories. In fact, the PT-5 can connect to any side port. In this case, we will connect to the ROIP port since we have our dual PTT and RDC attached. Now, let's go into the Cloud Relay configuration page on the WMI and enable the cellular connection. Choose the PT5 as your interface on the drop-down menu. Enter your Cloud Relay Hub credentials and wait for confirmation of the connection. The small cellular icon on the top of the WMI indicates that your cellular connection is active, showing the type and speed of the connection. You are now connected to the Cloud Relay Hub and can serve as a gateway to your global MANET network. You can also enable Wi-Fi using 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz frequencies and set up the PT5 just like on your home router. In this case, on the PT5 config page, enable the band that you want using the pull-down menu and use your EUD or phone to read the QR code. This automatically connects you to your Wi-Fi network and a randomly generated SSID and password. The PT5 also auto-assigns Wi-Fi channels within each band. Of course, you can also manually set these to custom values if you choose. Your EUD is now connected to the MANET. The icons on top of the WMI will show you your Wi-Fi connection status, how many devices you have, and your cellular connection. A PT5 status page shows you all the details about your connection. The PT5 is a plug-and-play device with all of your settings residing on the MPU5. This means that you can plug in any PT5 and it will be automatically configured to your desired settings. So what does this all mean operationally? You can connect to the global network without the need for bulky routers and commercial hotspots that won't survive the weather or the environment where you operate. There are countless tools available to you on the battlefield. The PT5 allows you to incorporate new devices into your kit quickly and connect them via Wi-Fi without the need for special cables, adapters, or software. The PT5 can connect remotely to any MPU5 side connector via a cable, either directly to the MPU5 or dual PTT. This means that you can place the PT5 in an ideal location in a vehicle, giving multiple users unobstructed access to Wi-Fi, and position the PT5 for optimal cellular coverage. You can access the PT5 from a Wi-Fi capable device from up to 25 feet away, which means you could watch a robot video feed being controlled by another user. You can also stay undetected in congested and contested environments by leveraging our automated pace functionality. The PT5 with Cloud Relay allows team members to communicate with their 10-watt MPU5 radios temporarily disabled. This enables covert surveillance by blending in with a host nation's cellular signature. Additionally, once your data is passing over the PT5, your traffic is indistinguishable from commercial cellular traffic. We designed the PT5 specifically for the MPU5, and we are proud to manufacture the PT5 right here in America. The PT5 is the transport that travels with you. This two-in-one device unites tactical and strategic communications and ensures that you and your team are always connected. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let us know if you have questions. Make sure to like and subscribe to get our latest updates.